Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some lemon pepper chicken wings. I'm going to make these lemon pepper chicken wings in the air fryer. So let's get busy. I'm going to cook these wings at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes in my air fryer here. So let me get them on the tray and I'll show you what they look like. This is one of the products I use to marinate the chicken overnight, and then I added the lemon pepper on it the next day. I usually purchase this from Sam's. It's very good. So the next day I just added 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper to the chicken. I marinated the chicken in the other seasoning. I used 1 1/2 teaspoon of that, which I marinated the chicken overnight. I like this Cuisinart oven because of the large tray it has to add the meat to. And I wrapped the pan here with aluminum foil so that it will decrease the cleanup time. So it's up to you how you want to do yours. You can leave the tray without anything on it, but I like this oven here. If you're interested in this oven, I placed the link in the description box of this recipe that you can order it online from Amazon. So let's get busy. This oven will hold up to 3 pounds of chicken. So let me turn on the oven. And I have it on the second rack level. I just find that it cooks better on the second rack. They tell you to put it on the top rack, but I usually don't. Let me just turn this on bake. 400 degrees. And I might have to cook it a little longer, but I just like it the way it looks on that level. And let me set the timer for 20 minutes. Okay. All right, let me close the oven and turn the oven light on. Okay, these are the 2 products I used on the lemon chicken wings. The perfect seasoning, I used that on the chicken overnight. And there's 3 pounds of chicken. And then I used the lemon pepper on it this morning before I placed them in the oven. So these should be some very delicious lemon pepper. I know a lot of you that watch my show every day, you're probably wondering, where is my Cuisinart oven? It's actually in my laundry room because I don't have any place in my kitchen. I do, but I didn't want to clutter up my counter in the kitchen, so I have a large laundry room here, so I just placed it on a stand in my laundry room. Okay, it's been 20 minutes in the air fryer, and it is kind of crispy on the top. You can see that, but I don't know. I made a mistake. I do have it on the top rack. I'm gonna flip these over and cook them another 10 minutes on the other side. I don't know, I just like mine a little bit well done, I guess. They're coming off the tray okay. I'm just flipping them and they look pretty good. Pretty good, they are done, I can tell that. So I think I'm gonna just leave it for about 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna take them off this tray. The ones in the back is not as crispy as the ones in the front. So I'm gonna just bring some of these to the front and let them cook for about 5 more minutes. But like I said, the ones in the front are pretty crispy. Okay, let me just close it back up. Okay, and I'm gonna turn it on for 5 more minutes on air fryer. And let me turn the light on the stove on. And you can see in the inside of the oven. This is the chicken after 25 minutes. You will notice on the video after 20 minutes, I flipped some of the chicken over and pulled some of the chicken from the back to the front. And this is what we have. It looks beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and place it on a plate. After 25 minutes, it looks delicious. Now this is the chicken. Okay, it looks beautiful. It tastes delicious. I tried a piece earlier, and the seasoning is all the way through the chicken. It's delicious. Along, you can taste the lemony flavor on the chicken. So try this recipe. I think you'll really like it. I love my amazing chicken. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.